Hi, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. I started this year quietly by disconnecting myself from the social media world and to really just connect with my mind, my body, and soul. I break into the new year with 5 days prayer and fasting, just thanking God for all the blessings that He has given me, and also praying for healing for someone who are so dear to me and praying for the people around me. I started reading again, journaling, working harder and smarter to hit my KPI, listening to podcasts, living for the small moments and indulging in it so deeply. I just invest my time to what makes me smile, warms my heart, and fills it with joy and things that makes me feel more of myself. I even started something new and learning things I'm not good at. Literally, the past weeks I'm just living a balanced life, working, praying, journaling, and spending time with family. So far, it feels so good, and I'm loving it.
Yo, people of the Philippines and the world. Going to SM Dasma and we're going to have our ear pierced today. So, our guest for today is none other than my sister. Nagbi-business pa siya. Pero wait, let's go and find her. What is up, yo? This is my sister, y'all. Yeah. Hello, everyone. For you, Rose. My first question for my sister is that what makes the world go round? Please answer. In your 30 years of existence, what is your biggest lesson?
Or may gusto kang bagay na ma-achieve, kailangan mo talaga mag-work for it. Hindi pwede yung magko-complain ka na, oo, pagod ka na. Pero kasi lahat naman talaga mapapagod at hindi mo naman makukuha din ang isang bagay kung hindi mo magpapagod ka.
Nakaganda ng sagot.
Napakapili. Hindi, totoo. So, ang dami ko natututunan sa'yo.
My next question would be, in a world full of uncertainties, how do you keep going?
As a mother of three, hindi ako pwedeng tumigil. Na yung nagiging inspiration and motivation ko to move forward. Kahit na sobrang pagod na ako, kahit minsan gusto ko nang give up, kasi nagiging kinakapitan siya na ganyan.
Iyak ako. Iyak ako talaga.
First question for you. Do you consider yourself a successful one? Then why?
Successful. Yeah. Because I think we all have different definition of success.
For me, I value simplicity and happiness. As long as I'm living a simple and happy life, then I can say that I am successful.
That's all. Thank you.
And the winner is... Being your biggest mistakes or regrets in your life?
Mistake or regrets in life? That's a tough question now. I don't think I have mistakes because I'm a perfect human being. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. I actually don't know the answer to this question. Siguro, kaya I don't know kung ano yung mistake in my life. It's because I don't usually see it as a mistake, but a learning experience. May sakit ako or hindi sakit, I think it's a good thing as well, na I tend to forget things, yung mga bad things. Hindi ko siguro ma-recall kung meron. So, kung meron mong nanonood ng vlog ko na you think I'm a mistake or I've done something, maybe you can comment down below. That's all. Thank you. What's up? Hello! Welcome to my vlog. So, iyan, kanina we started the Q&A at Starbucks. Pero ngayon we'll continue and we decided na mag-add. We'll answer 21 questions in total. Meron kaming questions to each other that we will pick from here. Ayan. And this video is sponsored by Hearty Blend! This is also in celebration of my 60 million subscribers.
Wow, congratulations to your 60 million subscribers.
Ayan, 60 million subscribers na. You may promote your business, my channel. Maraming nanonood ako, 60 million. So, let me introduce to you the CEO of Hearty Blend.
Guys, Hearty Blend. Sabi nga ng isa sa mga suki, mapapaluwas ka sa sarap.
Yeah.
Phase 7, Cherry Nevada.
Yes, free delivery yan.
Yes,
in
free
all
delivery.
subdivisions nearby.
Yes. With no minimum order required.
Yeah, and open kami 24 hours, char. Ano lang, hanggang 12 midnight.
Yes, hanggang 12 midnight.
Para sa mga mahilig mag-midnight snacks like us, na marunong mga nocturnal na mahilig magpuyat, you can order your snacks here at Hearty Blend. So you can search them on Facebook. What's your Facebook account? Yes. Host knows. What's your Facebook account?
Just type Hearty Blend.
Yes. Yeah, Hearty Blend. So to start, we'll play a music. Wala lang, para lang maset yung mood natin. Yan. Para po ba? Okay. Let's start. So, sino na mag-ano? Ano ba?
Who's gonna ask who?
Siguro ikaw muna. Kasi you have like, pick one question.
You only need the light when it's burning low.
Question number 3. Kasi number 3 yung
For question number 3, if you would be given a chance to choose a life you will live in, how would you choose to live your life? Siguro ako, pipiliin ko pa rin yung life na meron ako.
Well!
Hindi man siya ganun kabongga.
Hindi siya perfect.
Hindi siya perfect. Maraming mistakes, maraming napagdaan ng problems. Pero, masaya kasi ako kung ano meron ako ngayon.
Oh my God!
Kasi kasama sa life ko ngayon yung 3 kong anak. Which is yung talaga yung nagbibigay sa akin ng 100% happiness. Kaya, tsaka I have a family na, yung alam mo yung talagang family na maaasahan mo, nagmamahal talaga sa'yo ng totoo, na alam mo talaga na nandyan sila always para sa'yo. Magkaroon ka man ng mistakes in your life, magkamali ka man, parang they're always there, hindi para i-judge ka, kundi i-correct yung mistakes mo. At malaman mo na nandiyan pa rin sila nakaprotekta sa'yo, nakasupport sa'yo. Kaya, ito pa rin yung life na pipiliin ko.
Okay, so it's my from your parents. Had a lot of lessons that I learned from my parents. Parents kasi si mom. Pinakaunang-unang lesson na natutunan ko sa kanya, huwag maging madamo. Yun yung pinakaunang-unang natutunan kong lesson ko from
Napaka-generous talaga.
sobrang napaka-generous ng mom na. Sobrang, kahit na yung people treated her bad, pero kung meron siya, parang lagi niya sinasabi na huwag mong gagawin sa iba yung ginawa niya sa'yo. Parang gano'n. Na kung meron ka, it's better to give than to receive. So, yun. Okay.
What is the best advice you can give to young girls? Siguro advice ko. Okay lang ma-in love. Totoo, okay lang ma-in love. Okay lang makipag-relation sa tao. Pero, huwag mo kakalimutan na yung matapos mo na yung pag-aaral mo. Unahin mo talaga yung pag-aaral mo kasi iba talaga pag natapos mo yung pag-aaral mo sa hindi. Iba yung hirap na mararanasan mo. Kaya mag-aral mo na mabuti, gawing inspirasyon ng mga boyfriend or girlfriend mo. Ganon. It's your turn, dear. Okay. Ano ba?
Ito. What's the one thing you couldn't live without? Siguro the one thing I couldn't live without is my faith. Parang God. Kasi God is my rock. And I think He's the only constant in this world. In the world na keeps on changing. But God remains the same. Yesterday, today, and forever.
Yes.
Yeah. So yun, I can't live without my faith or God.
Nice one.
Okay, your turn.
So it's my turn. If you will travel one place in the world, what would it be and why? Ang pinaka-dream place ko talaga is Europe.
We're in Europe.
Paris. Kung saan ang country of romance or love. Yun ba yun? Yun yung pinaka-pangarap ko. Kasi parang alam mo yung dream come true talaga kasi ang hirap i-achieve kasi di ba mahal pumunta doon. Parang chat sa akin. Yung pinakapangarap ko.
Give it up. Ito, question. At your age, do you feel any pressure in finding the right man for you? How do you find the right man? Ooh, interesting question. Pero, I don't feel any pressure right now. Hindi, siguro, I feel young pa naman kasi I'm young at heart talaga. Sometimes feel pressured, pero I always go back to my belief or my faith na it will come at the right time. I always believe in right timing. No matter what age you are in. I think parang even if you are in a relationship at a young age or parang at my age, sometimes people are not happy in a relationship. They are married pero parang iba get divorced or parang kasi not the right time. How do you find the right time? Actually in the church, lagi tinuturo sa amin is you don't find the right man or you don't wait for the right man to come along. You have to strive to be the right woman. You have to prepare yourself to be the right woman for the right person God has prepared for you. If you pray for the ones that you want to marry, God will be the one to bring that person to you. Yung right man, pero hindi ka naman prepared as a person. It won't be the right time for the birth. So yeah, that's it.
Nice. I like that.
When I open my eyes,
Oh, it's my turn here. Down to my last two questions. Yeah, that's your ideal. My ideal life, parang siguro comfortable life. Yun, comfortable life. Hindi naman yung sobrang bongga. Ang pinaka-ano ko lang, mabigay ko lang lahat ng needs ng mga bata. Yun, okay na sa akin. Yun yung ideal for you.
yes, that's God.
Okay, I'll pick one.
You are a person of integrity. Does it ever come to a point wherein doing the right thing was hard for you? Well, I have to be honest. Actually, doing the right thing is not always easy. Sometimes it's actually not just hard, but painful as well. Na parang, like when you want something, but you know it's wrong. And you shouldn't do it. Even if it's painful, even if it's hard, you have to choose to do the right thing all the time. Because when you're right, you'll never go wrong. And also parang at the expense of hurting people to get what you want, that's a no-no for me. So, kahit na it's hard for me or it's painful for me, I would always choose to do the right thing. So yes.
My turn. Heels or sneakers? Please, sneakers. Wala akong heels. Type isa. Marami akong sneakers.
Hindi ka
Hindi ako ma-heels. Kasi before, di ba pag nag-heels ako, nagka-cramps yung legs ko.
yeah.
Kaya more on sneakers talaga ako. Tsaka mas comfy. Oo, ganyan. Kaya sneakers.
Okay. Okay, next question. How much do you worry about what others think? I started to learn not to mind other people's opinions about me. Kasi, you know, what I learned, people will always have to say, lahat may opinion about you, how you live your life. I learned not to mind how other people think of me. Kasi what people think about me is their business. I only listen to people who I know cares for me. Yung mga constructive criticism lang. Yun, I learned how to filter na. Ito lang yung pakikinggan ko. It takes a man and a woman and a magic moment to know. Oh, Diyos ko, Lord. What do you think is your biggest mistake in life? We're listening.
Actually, marami akong mistake. Siguro yung pinaka-biggest mistake ko, yung parang hanggang ngayon, nire-regret ko pa rin siya. Yung hindi ako naka-graduate in time. Kasi nga, at the age of 19 years old, nagka-baby ako. Tapos, syempre hindi na ako nakapag-aral ulit kasi may iba ng priority. Saka, hindi na rin tayo financial. Pero, yun yung naiisip ko talaga na kasi up until now, lagi kong iniisip, kung nag-aral ako, siguro, mas maginawa yung buhay. Kung nag-aral ako, hindi ito yung trabaho ko. Mas, yung trabaho na gusto ko, yun talaga yung... Siyempre, marami din kasi akong parang insecurities. Kapag nakikita ko yung iba na hindi sila masyadong nahihirapan sa work, hindi sobrang bigat ng trabaho nila, pero sumasahod sila ng parang sapat, ganun. Kaya nga hanggang ngayon, parang ang pinaka-goal ko pa rin talaga is yung makagraduate. Malaki pa nga yung pinaka-gusto ko dyan. Hindi lang yung matapos yung degree ko. Kumbaga more than that. Pero hindi madali. Kailangan may sacrifice. Yun naman talaga, di ba? Pagka may gusto kang i-achieve, meron talagang masasacrifice na bagay para pero hindi talaga ako tumitigil kasi gusto ko talaga matapos.
Why?
Next. Somebody.
Yun. Okay. Have you tried using any dating app? What is your opinion about dating app? Yes, I'm actually in Tinder right now, so anyone of you is in Tinder, you can
Swipe up, swipe right,
swipe up, right, left, ganyan. So my opinion about dating app, kasi isa lang naman yung na-try ko, so yung Tinder lang. I'm actually forced to install Tinder by my friends. Not actually forced, but I'm actually curious about it kasi it's been so hard to meet people nowadays, di ba? So, wala namang masama. People say, parang pang-hook up lang yung app. Pero siguro, depends din sa'yo. You really have to be smart in choosing. So far, wala pa naman ako nakaka-date from Tinder. Hindi kasi ako ma-visual. Yung parang, magugustuhan ko lang siya dahil sa visual niya. I'm more on the character of the person, of the way he is. It's not siguro in my nature to chat people na hindi ko talaga kakilala. Ganun. So, I don't know how to keep the conversation going. It doesn't really work for me. Yun yung opinion ko about the dating app. Okay?
What are your future plans and how do you plan on achieving it? Kanina, di ba, sabi ko na parang isa sa mga dream ko is na hindi natapos ko na gusto mag-achieve is yung makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Actually, gusto ko talaga yung hindi lang matapos yung degree ko na nursing. Sinabi ko na more than that, kasi gusto ko talaga mag-doctor. Ang naisip ko na plan na parang way ko para ma-achieve to, kasi since pag nag-work lang ako dito sa Philippines, hindi ko kayang magawa yun kasi meron din akong priorities like yung mga tuition fees ng mga bata. Kaya I'm planning to work abroad. It's either sea-based or land-based. Then, it's either mag-work and study ako at the same time or mag-work muna ako. Pag sea-based, mag-work muna ako ng 2 contract and then mag-aaral ako. Pag land-based, yun yung plano ko na mag-work and study at the same time. Tingin ko naman kaya ko yun kasi I did that last 2015, di ba? Remember that? Yeah, yun.
Next question.
Your turn.
How will your life be different this year? So more on parang para sa akin, this year, my life will be different in a way na parang I will be more connected with myself. I also spend time more on my friends that are close to me and time with my family. I started spending my year with my family. I started this year quiet talaga. Talagang disconnecting with the outside world. Yun. Basta focus on myself, on the things that I want to achieve. Yun. And on the people around me. On my self-growth, on my growth. Parang yeah. That's, I think yun. Last question is, what kind of mother, parent you think you will be? Babato ko yung question na to sa ate ko. So, ikaw, what kind of mother do you think I would be? Tingin mo lang. Like the way I am, the way you know me, how do you think a kind of parent I would be? Kasi tayong dalawa, parang pinalaki naman tayo, kahit mag-isa lang si mama, pinalaki tayo ng may pagmamahal, gano'n. Ikaw nakikita ko sa'yo na parang pagka natutuwa ako naman pag nakikipaglaro ka lalo na sa mga anak ko. Sabi ko, pag ito nagkaroon ng anak, alam mo yung parang mamahalin ka ng bongga ng anak mo. Kasi iba yung bonding na binibigay mo eh. Iba yung time.
Quality time.
Yung time na ni-spend mo sa kanila. Na every time they ask for you, parang you always give them what they want. Alam mo yung parang sabi ko, napaka-generous mo. Kaya sabi ko, ang swerte ng mga anak ko sa tita nila. Kaya, syempre, more than that, pag ikaw na yung nagkaroon ng sarili mong anak, mas doble pa yung may bibili mo. Kasi sa pamangkin pa nga lang na parang give all ka na eh. Ano pa kaya sa anak na meron ka? Pero ang kahibahan lang, yung mga anak ko binubuli niya. Malamang ko, yung anak niya hindi niya bubulihin. Kaya ako naman ang gagawin. Ang hilig niya magpaiyak. Lalo na si Kulot. Yun, lagi niya pinapaiyak. Yun lang ang hindi niya talaga gagawin sa mga anak niya. Talaga.
Okay, that's it. Thank you for gracing my channel and for having this Q&A with me. I started the year right. I started the year with my family and I started the year living a simple life. So I would like to continue doing so. And thank you so much for your time you spent with me today. So yeah, thank you and thank you for watching. I hope the 60 million subscribers are watching right now. And siguro next time we'll be having a shout out pagka medyo dumami-dami na kayo. Pag 100 subscribers na, celebrate din natin. Kasi I always believe in celebrating little achievements. And like before, we had 34 subscribers and now I already have 60. Yay! Yay! 60 million subscribers. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And I hope that may mga mag-subscribe pa.
Yes, please like, share,
And
and subscribe.
And for those who are watching, thank you very much and I appreciate you all.
Thank you, Ma!